There is a golden ratio or golden number which is very important, a very harmonious number that was and is being used in architecture and art. And also Mother Nature, the divine intelligence of nature, has chosen that number of spirals explained by Fibonacci. For example, we can see the golden ratio in the arrangement of seeds in sunflowers, daisies. In all the circles of a pineapple, the spirals are concatenated or linked in a mathematical way, in an exact, harmonious, and intelligent way, which is repeated everywhere in nature. Also, if we divide the length of our body by the length of our legs, the more similar the resulting number is to the golden number, the more harmonious our body is on an aesthetic level. We can also find this in the pentagram or the five-pointed star. Remember that our body is shaped like a star, a five-pointed star. A great disciple of Pythagoras, Philolaus, said that everything that can be known, everything that can be discovered has a number, because without numbers nothing can be conceived. Even the builders, the architects, those who designed the Pyramid of Cheops, the Great Pyramid, built thousands of years before Christ, a pyramid made with more than 2 million blocks of 20 tons each, used the golden ratio in many parts of the pyramid. The historian Herodotus, when interviewing priests in Egypt, was told by those priests that the surface area of one side of the pyramid, that is, any of the side faces of the pyramid, equals the surface area or the square of the height of the pyramid. It turns out that if you analyze a little the geometric aspect of the pyramid, you discovered that it is also based on the golden ratio. For example, the area of the whole pyramid divided by the area of its whole lateral surface equals the golden number, or the lateral surface area divided by the area of the base also equals the golden number. And these are not coincidences, but calculations with messages in extremely beautiful and splendorous proportions that those ancient Egyptian geometricians left us. That is the great importance of numbers, the great importance of those entities, given that for Pythagoreans they were considered living entities, or are living entities, we should say, that have a great amount of information and a great amount of extremely interesting aspects at the level of science and also of mysticism.